have open dream of a far place where our heroes welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where we're meant to be." Ah, tas kayo, di yung kaya. Iba na lang, B.
Suro niyo eh.
I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, if I know every time will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down and on the road to embrace my fate. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow, tas kaya. Ayoko na. Asa na to? Nan.
Tatalo.